Hi, kids! Have you ever wondered why apples are so good for you? Well, let's find out together. Apples grow on trees and they come in lots of colors like red, green, and yellow. But no matter the color, they're packed with superpowers to keep you healthy. Can you guess how many types of apples there are in the world? A, 50, B, 500, C, 7,500. There are over 7,500 types of apples. Wow, that's a lot of apples. Apples are like little superheroes for your body. Here's why. They give you energy. Apples are full of natural sugar that gives you a boost to play, run, and jump. They keep your tummy happy. Apples have something called fiber that helps your tummy feel good and keeps everything moving smoothly. They protect your body. Apples have vitamins like vitamin C, which helps your body fight off colds and stay strong. Did you know that eating an apple can also help keep your teeth clean? When you bite into an apple, it helps scrub your teeth. Isn't that cool? Try this. Take a bite of an apple and count how many crunches it takes to finish one bite. How crunchy is your apple? You can eat apples in so many fun ways. Try them sliced, as a juice, or even in a yummy pie. What's your favorite way to eat apples? Which apple snack would you like to try next? A. Apple slices. B. Apple juice. C. Apple pie. Apples are not just tasty, they're super healthy too. So next time you see an apple, remember you're eating something amazing for your body. Thanks for learning with us today, and don't forget to eat your apples. Bye for now. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you next time. Thank you.